All right, Bill. I got this thing kind of opened up. I'm going to refer you back to the pictures online for a couple of things, but I do have this opened up so we can at least see the canvas and that the pop-up mechanism is working. So as you can see here on this side, canvas is in really good shape. This is above the bigger bed right there. Got some netting so you can let some air in there. Really good shape on the outside. Everything's looking good here. On this side, you're going to have your tanks and your water connections, your power cord, your 30 amp controller, your outdoor shower. This slide is not on it's not on a motor. It took me a second to kind of figure that out. There's these cool little latches on here. You lift and twist, and that unlocks the slide mechanism so that way you can pull it in and out. So, good to know there. On this side, everything looks to be pretty good. Maybe a little, I can't tell. Oh yeah, little tiny holes right there. I always try to be as open and transparent as I can be on these. We'll look on the inside too and see if there's little holes go all the way through or not. But it is priced accordingly. We've got everything looking good on this side here. Here is the smaller bedside. So looking at everything, canvas on this side seems to be in really good shape. Same thing, you got your vents on this side. And of course your camp side is gonna have the bar so that way you can hook up like a grill or something like that to it. A little outlet for outside. And then this is solar ready, so you can add a solar panel to it if you'd like. Let's go check out the inside real quick. Like I said, I don't have it totally opened. It will be detailed prior to pickup, but kind of going from left to right here. So here is that, I think they call it a gaucho. Basically a couch that can be a bed. You've also got the pop-up bed right here. Or the pop-out bed, I should say. Let's see. Everything's looking pretty good in here. You got storage down below. We've got that slide-out mechanism pulled out. Doubles as a dinette or as a bed if you need it to be. Looks like we got the cushions down below there. Cushions are in really good shape. The beds are in good shape. I don't see anything that's poking out at me on this guy. Oh, looks like those holes do go through. So just a couple of them, nothing crazy. But again, just being fully transparent is the way we like to do business. I didn't pull the bed out all the way, so I couldn't set up the kitchen for you, but you do have a stove right here, 3 burners. You have a little sink. Once this is fully opened up, this will actually pop up on top of here. So that way you have room for the bed. And then over on this side here, you do have the wet bath. So it does have like a little toilet and kind of a shower in here as well. So curtains for privacy, all that is in here. This above my head here is the door. Once it's all fully popped up, that's typically the last thing you do, is swing down the door. And look in there, maybe a little water got in, but it doesn't look to be mold or anything like that. Other than that, the canvas is looking pretty good. So little dirty, again, we'll detail it, but nothing crazy, no funky smells, no mold or mildew. Everything is looking really good. So I'll go ahead and get this uploaded to YouTube, and then if you have any other questions, just let me know. To see it fully popped out, just check out the website. Those photos, it's just like what you're seeing now. So it's just I cannot pop this thing out all by myself. So anyways, let me know if you have any other questions, and I will talk to you later.